How to fix controller not working on Steam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix controller not working on Steam. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Steam. Make sure you log in into your account and after you're here, tap on Steam on the top left. After you've done that, head over to settings. On your settings on the left sidebar, you'll find controller settings. Tap on that and you should be on this page right here. After you're here, make sure that all of the settings are, set. Make sure that your controller is detected. Since I don't have a controller right now, I'm not, connected to it. So here, what you'll need to do is here simply uncheck this one that is turn off controllers when exiting big picture. Now, right here, you will see Xbox extended feature support drive. Now, here, if you find anything related to this, such any extended feature driver, make sure that you install it. Tap on install and install that. After you've done that, you can restart your Steam, completely erase it, close it from here, end it as well, exit it, and after you've shut it down, you can restart your Steam and the problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.